then what happened?
And I ordered tomato soup because I thought tomato soup would be good. And I brought it out, and it was not red tomato soup. It was yellow.
No, it was orange. And it was because it was creamy tomato.
Poop.
It was not duck poop.
Duck poop. I would not eat duck poop.
Did you take it back up there and get your money?
No, he ate it.
I did not eat it.
Yes, you
There
did.
was a crouton that had like melted in there, and it looked like duck poop. And it tasted like duck poop.
How would you know if you didn't eat it?
If it walks like a duck, talks like a duck, squawks like a duck, it's duck.
But it didn't walk or talk or squawk.
And the duck left it.
Johnny, it was not a duck. It was creamy tomato basil soup.